Selva. Subscribe Infinity because day by day IT related videos we are uploading the channel. Subscribe this channel. Now we are seeing AutoCAD. When I try to install at the time restart pending, opening system restart pending, this errors come. Okay, how to solve this error? Okay, go to your search option, search reg edit, right click, run as administrator, go to local key mission, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Windows update, in under auto update. This under is there restart required to restart required. Just right click and delete. Just restart your computer now. Okay, after install your AutoCAD from the AutoCAD subscription, control, just sign in your AutoCAD and download it. I am already downloaded in AutoCAD site. I have subscription for AutoCAD, so I will download it. Now I am open the AutoCAD app for application. Now to activate, okay, just you have three options: sign in option, serial number, network license. I have sign in for subscription. I click on sign in my account. It's ask password. I am given the password and now open and check it's activated. And also your required AutoCAD files or any you have just open, check. Subscribe this channel.